Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's find the option called the language, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use, and once you select it, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and apply the language. And once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.